Hi, I'm Greg Murray, a resident of Crystal Lake Golf Villa Phase 2. I'm also one of the members of the Crystal Lake Golf Villa Phase 2 Board of Directors, which is just a volunteer who does work for our community. Being on the Board of Directors does not afford me any more than anyone else in the community. I just do more work for the community than someone who does not act as a board member. If you pay a certain dollar figure for your HOA fee, I pay that same amount and get no more than you do. Being on the Board of Directors puts me and 5 more members of our community in charge of doing things for our community. Case in point, we hired parking attendant to police the parking in our community. That did not work out well for us, so we employed a different company called ParkingPass to replace parking attendants. Because we are not a gated community, we needed a method to secure our community from people who should not be here. The only way to do that is to govern which vehicles may park here overnight. This is an owner-occupied community, meaning owners of property in our community and their guests may park here overnight, and not registered vehicles that are used by someone who are renting an Airbnb, which is not legal in this community. ParkingPass needs your car registration. Every vehicle in this community needs to be registered. You must do that by going onto their website at my.parkingpass.com and entering the needed information. I will give you step-by-step instructions on how to do this. This is a time-sensitive matter, so please do this as soon as possible to avoid having your vehicle towed or booted at your expense. To register your vehicle, first, you will need a scanned copy of your vehicle registration and your driver's license. Have them ready before you start the registration process. Copy them to your computer or your phone to get started as a photo file. Then, we're ready to get started. Now that you have your vehicle registration and driver's license copied to your device, use your browser and search for my.parkingpass.com. At the bottom part of this window, click on the green Resident Registration tab. Select your language. Enter our community registration word for Crystal Lake Golf Villa Phase 2 as golf. Fill in the rest of this page with the required information. Note, for contact number type, you will have the option to choose your home or mobile number. If you would like the software to communicate with you via SMS message, then we recommend you choose the mobile number option. At this point, you'll be required to receive a PIN number sent to your email address and another to your phone for your verification. Once you have confirmed your email and mobile number, please click on the Next button to complete the application process. Select your address from the drop-down menu, then click Next. Choose the appropriate status, whether you are a renter or owner at your address. Next, you will see the number of vehicles allowed per unit, which is your address, and the number of vehicles or slots available. Then click Next. You will answer if you park in the community or not. If you do not own a vehicle, click on the checkbox that reads No. Clicking that checkbox allows you to create a guest-only account. This is necessary if you want to be able to activate guest passes. If you answered yes, then here you will input vehicle information for your resident vehicles. You will be required to upload pictures of your vehicle registration and your driver's license. Fill in all the required information for your vehicle. In our community parking policy, it's allowed to have more than one vehicle. If you have more than one vehicle, you want to add another vehicle, click on the green link that says Add Another Vehicle. The next page shows all the information that you entered in previous pages. Take some time to review and confirm that all the information entered is correct. The next page displays the website's term of use. Take some time and review this. The last step is a very important one, a review of the property's parking policy. You should see an on-screen message thanking you for registering and receive an email confirming your account has been submitted for approval. Once we receive your registration request, we will check our records to confirm your documents. Then we will approve your registration and you will receive confirmation of your registration approval in your contacts via email and/or phone text. One last note. In the documentation, you will see that if you need help, contact your property manager's office. This is not true in our case. Our ParkingPass property manager is the Crystal Lake Golf Villa Phase 2 Board of Directors office. The contact information for contacting us here is correct. The Crystal Lake Golf Villa Phase 2 Board of Directors is taking back our streets and working hard at making living here safe and comfortable. We always need your help to make this true. So if you see something that we need to attend to, please contact us and report it. Thank you.